It is July 4th, Independence Day for those of us lucky enough to live in America. If not, sucks to be you. And I have some random ideas, basically a simple thought, which is it's the Independence Day. It is the day that we declared independence from the tyranny of government, that kind of fun stuff. And while most of us will be celebrating freedom and independence, it's kind of weird to me how most people aren't free because they don't understand how their own mind works. They don't know where their beliefs come from. They don't know where their ideas come from. They don't know how they make their own decisions. They have explanations for why they do things, but they don't understand the fundamental motivations and reasons at the core of why they make the choices that they make. So most people can describe what they've done and what they think about what they've done, but the ability to discern the reasons underneath those is fairly opaque to most people. So if you want to live a life of freedom, it doesn't come from outside and from the things that you do. It comes first from being able to imagine a future or a life that you want, that is your idea of what a good life is, and then being able to make the decisions and take action on those choices that you've made to build the life that you want. So if you haven't thought about where your ideas and desires come from, how do you know who's influenced you into believing that? Who's persuading you to want to keep up with the Joneses? What cognitive biases are at play that keep you engaged in environments and dynamics and relationships and situations that aren't serving you? If you don't know the answers to those questions, then you aren't free, even if you live in the freest country in the world. And that's even sidestepping the entire conversation about, our forefathers making a huge ruckus over a 4% tax on tea versus 40, 60% federal tax on everything that we make. So not even having that conversation, even if we lived in an ultra free, do whatever you want as long as you're not hurting other people world, you can still be not free when you don't understand your own mind and where your desires come from. So, as you are celebrating Independence Day with your family, with your friends, take a moment to think through where your thoughts come from and to really take stock on whether or not you're free where it counts the most, which is up here. That's it. That's the thought I had here on July 4th. Hope you're having a good one. Stay safe out there. Come back with all of your fingers. And if you can change your mind, you can change your life.